Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, GBP, JPY, then do check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So this is the forex chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and gold closed at 1957.84. This is the last traded price of gold here. And if you look at the chart of DXY, then you can see that the overall trend of DXY is still the same. We can see after the uptrend, okay, DXY is sideways right now. We do have a very strong resistance around 99.50 on DXY, and we have multiple layers of support around 98 level, 97.75 and 97.40. So as long as DXY is staying above the 97 level, we can consider that DXY is bullish and there is no sign of trend reversal. As of now, DXY is bullish, but keep in mind that the war is still going on. Okay, so anything may happen. Okay, so please be careful and keep your eyes on the chart of DXY as well, because DXY is in sideways for quite some time, so there may be some sharp moves in the coming week as well. Now let's look at the chart of gold here. Undoubtedly, market is very bullish, and recently we have seen that the 200 moving average is acting as a very strong dynamic support for our market. You can see multiple times 200 moving average providing support to the market. So in case there is a selling pressure in the coming week, then we can expect that the 200 moving average will be there to provide support to the market again. And the level would be around 1920 for 200 moving average. But the current market price is far away from a 200 moving average. So let's look at the trading opportunities for Monday precisely. Okay. To understand the trading levels for Monday, we need to move to the 15 minutes time frame or to a lower time frame. Okay, so right now I'm in a 15 minutes time frame, and you can see that the important resistance for the market right now is 1965. Okay, 1965 is the important resistance for the market right now. But considering the overall factors in the market and considering the trend of the market, there is a possibility that market will remain bullish, and at one time market may break the resistance as well, because after all, we cannot deny the fact that the war is still going on and market is still very much sensitive to news right now. In case the situation worsens, or if we see some new developments, then obviously gold will react. Gold react karega, and we may see gold breaking the level of 1965. So in this market condition, my dear friends, proper risk management is extremely important, and most importantly, okay, do not gamble. Only trade when the opportunity is right. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. So the 200 moving average is there, okay, and which is also acting as a great dynamic support. And for Monday precisely, if market comes down to the level of 1943, there is a good possibility of market bouncing from here. If market bounces from 1943 level, you can go for a buy, because 1943 is a good support zone for day traders. In case 1943 fails to provide support, then we have 1937 as the next support for the market. So for day traders, 1943 is an important support. Then we have got 1937 as important support. But keep in mind, these are the levels from the lower time frame. Okay, for these are important for day traders only, and risk management is supreme. Use it. Okay. And though we have 1965 at the top, but you should not be taking a sell position blindly. Do not forget, the overall trend of gold is still very much towards the upside. Gold is still in an uptrend right now. So if gold reaches the level of 1965, observe the market first. Observation is very important. If you see that market is struggling near 1965 level, their price is struggling or there is price rejection from above, that will be a confirmation that sellers are present and there is a possibility of market going down, and you can take a sell position when you get the confirmation. So confirmation is important. Okay, so if you see market reversing from 1965, then only take a sell position. But if you see that market is forming big green candles, market is very bullish, then obviously taking a sell position at 1965 will be a bad decision. वो गलती हो जाएगा. तो only sell at 1965 if market reverses, because market is bullish. Okay, and if market comes to 1943, 1937, you can definitely go for buy. And if market breaks 1965, okay, if market breaks 1965, wait for some time and see, because understanding the market emotion is also important. If there's, see, we don't know what news will come out during the weekend. If we see any kind of news that is provoking the price of the gold, okay, if we see some bullish news in the market, okay, and market is breaking 1965, then obviously you can go for a buy. Otherwise, without any news, okay, listen to me carefully, if market breaks 1965 without any news, then observe the market first. Observe the market. If the candles are good enough, if the candle is good enough, the size of the candle is good enough, mote candles, okay, then you'll get the understanding, you'll get the confirmation that buyers are very much powerful, okay, and you can go for a buy. So 1965 is a critical level. Okay, 1965 is a critical level, so please be careful. Okay, and obviously I'm coming on Monday also, then I'll be telling you if something bad or something crazy thing happens in the market. Okay, let's see. And so please be careful. Okay, these are the important levels, and let's try to check Fibonacci once. Let's try the Fibonacci also. Yeah, here is our Fibonacci, and what do we have here? We have another level here. See, right now, market is standing at 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level. But I'll say that do not consider this level, because see, Fibonacci 23.6, that too on a 15 minutes time frame is quite risky. Okay, but if market takes support around 1946, around 1946, which is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level, you can try. Okay, you can try if market bounces, but be careful. Okay, be careful, and following risk management is very important in this market condition, so do not make the mistake. Okay, so that's it. And my dear friends, as you all know that I'm on a mission, and I have started the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. If you're serious about trading, if you are serious about learning, then you can check this out, because this is just for you. And those who wants to make a career, or those who wants to make forex trading or trading as a serious profession or a side income, okay, for them I have also launched the Pro Trader program, which has got two parts: Pro Trader Career and Pro Trader Lite. Pro Trader Career is for those who are very much into trading, who are very much serious about trading, and they really want to do something with trading. But if you're someone who have a who has a uh, who has a permanent job, who cannot give much time to the trading, then you can also try the world's most affordable, cheapest trading signals, that is the Pro Trader program Lite, where I provide signals for $2 per month only. You will not get a better offer than this. So because this is just my effort to do something for the trading community. Okay. So bye bye, take care, see you on Monday.